Hey everyone, Zain here, and today I'm going to show you how to get YouTube Premium for free. Now, before we begin, you need to know that YouTube Premium will give you many features. With YouTube Premium, you can get ad-free videos, download videos to watch later when you are offline or on the go, and you can also play YouTube in the background by using the picture-in-picture feature. Now, how you can actually get this for free? The first thing that you should do is to simply go and open YouTube application on your phone or even on your browser. So in my case, I'll do it on my phone. Then I will go and click on my profile picture on the bottom right side. Then you should scroll down until you find here this option, get YouTube Premium. You just have to tap on it, and here, as you can see, it will show you that you can try 2 months for 0 EGP or 0 USD, whatever. And down below right here, it tells you that you will be reminded 7 days before your trial ends. Recurring billing: by continuing, you verify that you are at least 18 years old and agree to these terms. And they tell you that there is no refunds for partial billing periods. And when you go down more, you can simply see how much it will cost to get the premium version. So now I'm gonna click on try 2 months for free. Then it will ask me to use any payment method. What you should do is to simply enter your payment method, but don't worry, they will not take any money from you until the free trial period ends. So you can simply subscribe and try the free version. So you can even add a credit card that has no balance in order to make sure that they will not take any money from you. And after that, you can simply click on subscribe and it will show you this page. You can cancel this anytime. So here in my case, as you can see now, I have the ad-free offline and background play. I can also deactivate this subscription. I can simply go back to my own channel, click on my profile picture, then click on manage, and I can cancel my subscription or upgrade to family plan. So now I'm gonna click on YouTube Premium, then click on cancel my subscription. And when I click on cancel, it will jump me directly to this page. Then I can click on next and cancel the subscription. But here in my case, I will not do it until my free trial ends. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.